Are we alone? This massive dish was once the world's largest telescope. But after serious damage caused by the storm, it turned off. One of the tasks of the Arecibo telescope was sending and receiving radio signals to communicate with foreign intelligent civilizations. This large and powerful radio antenna had the ability to communicate with a radio antenna within 150 light years away. Scientists have even made a special language to send signals to alien civilizations, but they haven't received an answer from outside yet. Until now, about 5,000 exoplanets have been discovered. These 5,000 planets are located in the 3,604 extrasolar systems. A lot of these planets have conditions similar to Earth. That means they have a rocky surface and there's water on them. Of course, these are only the planetary systems close to us in the Milky Way, which we've been able to identify and investigate them. Maybe there are millions of Earths in other galaxies. Are they lifeless too? Frank Drake, an astrophysics professor at the University of California at Santa Cruz, has devised an equation that can help estimate the number of extraterrestrial civilizations in the Milky Way. He believed that the number of extraterrestrial civilizations that we can communicate with would be calculated in this way. Rate of stars formation in our galaxy, multiplied by the fraction of those stars that have planets, multiplied by the average number of planets that can potentially support life, multiplied by the fraction of these planets with life that actually go on to evolve intelligent beings like humans, multiplied by the fraction of civilizations that have advanced technologies to communicate with us, multiplied by the civilizations that have technology that releases detectable signs of their existence into space, multiplied by the length of time for these intelligent civilizations. But Drake's equation doesn't have a clear answer, because we have a lot of variables. This equation was introduced in 1961. From that time until today, due to the advancement of science and our better understanding of the universe, we have an appropriate answer for the first three unknowns. We know approximately how many stars are formed in the Milky Way galaxy each year, and what fraction of them have planets, and how many of these planets are capable of hosting life. But we don't have a certain amount for the next variables. However, the most pessimistic estimates don't consider the possibility of an intelligent civilization outside of Earth being zero. The Milky Way is our galactic home, which is estimated to have up to 400 billions of stars. That is a huge number. Almost 10,000 stars for every grain of sand on Earth. There are about 20 billion Sun-like stars in the Milky Way galaxy, and it is estimated that 1/5 of them have Earth-sized planets in their habitable region. The area where the conditions for the formation of life are provided. Even if 0.1% of these planets are receptive to life, it means there are 1 million planets with life in the Milky Way galaxy. But hang on. The Milky Way is about 13 billion years old. But in its early life, it hasn't been a good place to live, because there were a lot of explosions. But after 1 to 2 billion years, the first habitable planets emerged in this galaxy. Earth is only 4 billion years old. So there have probably been trillions of opportunities for life to form on other planets in the past. But where are the civilizations if they exist? And why haven't we dealt with them yet? Even if alien civilizations exist in other galaxies, we have no way of knowing about them. In fact, due to the expansion of the universe, anything outside our galactic neighbors, that is, outside of the local group, is inaccessible to us. Even if we had very fast spaceships, it would take billions of years to reach those galaxies. But how about in our own galaxy? If we are able to build a multi-generational spacecraft, which means a spacecraft that can secure the survival of a population for 1,000 years, we can take control of the entire galaxy in 2 million years. Well, if there are millions of planets with life in the Milky Way, then why is there no news from aliens? This unknown question has been around for years and it's been known as the Fermi paradox. But no one has an answer for that.
I don't know.
In your opinion, are we alone in this world?